In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Claude Code Agent Teams. This is where you have multiple AI agents working together and collaborating with each other inside Claude Code to accomplish various tasks versus previously where you would use sub-agents that worked in parallel. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set this all up and then perform a real-world use case that involves Claude Code Agent Teams. So be sure to stick around for the full video. So if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan. I appreciate you being here. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools, prompts, automation templates, and even some of my Claude Code skills, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for that in the video description or pinned comment below. So first of all, if you haven't set up agent teams on Claude Code, that is the very first step. And if you think you might have done this before, but you can't remember, simply open up Claude Code. You'll see I'm using VS Code with the Claude Code extension in this example. You can also do this on a terminal as well. I'm going to paste the following. Do you know how to spin up agent teams, and do I have them set up correctly on here? Sometimes you might have installed it and you just didn't realize it. And so this is going to check if I have Claude Teams or Claude Agent Teams set up inside Claude Code. So here it says your workspace is well organized, but you currently don't have any custom agents defined. There's no Claude Agents folder. And so what we need to do, since I do not have agent teams set up in this instance of Claude Code, I'm going to give it the following prompt. I'm then going to say, so I'm going to copy this. This is the official page of setting up agent teams. I'm going to copy this page. I'll leave this in the video description below. I'm going to come back to this chat within Claude Code, and I'm going to say, I need you to set up agent teams and use this to help. And then I'm going to paste all of that context right here and then skip ahead and wait till this is complete. All right, so Agent Teams is now enabled and configured correctly as Claude Code just told me right here. So now let's actually put Agent Teams to action. And you can use this same chat if you want. I'm just going to go ahead and start a fresh chat here. And what I'm going to do in this particular example is I have a prompt ready to go where I believe that this is actually a very good use case for agent teams within Claude Code. And I'm going to break down what this use case is. So here I'm asking it, create an agent team to repurpose a video transcript into content for various platforms. So this is essentially a content repurposing system where I want various AI agents to focus on different platforms. I want one agent to focus on repurposing my YouTube video transcript into a LinkedIn post. I want one agent to focus on a Twitter or X post. I want one agent to focus on an email newsletter. And you could add more content formats like an SEO optimized blog post or maybe short form video scripts. There are several other short form content formats that you can repurpose from a long form YouTube video, but I'm going to keep it simple here and just do 3. And then I asked it the following here before writing. Each agent should have read the full transcript and identify the 3 most compelling insights, have them share their chosen insights with each other to ensure no 2 platforms lead with the same angle. Essentially what I'm doing here is I want the agents to interact with each other. That is the benefit of using agent teams versus sub-agents that run in parallel and don't actually interact with one another. And then I say, after all 4 are done, synthesize a summary comparing the angles, and then I have saved the outputs in my marketing folder. So I have a marketing folder, and again, you can obviously save it wherever you want. I just did that to stay organized. One other thing to note up here is that when I said, here are the platforms, I then gave it an instruction of what specific skill that I want it to use to generate that various posts for LinkedIn, right? I have a LinkedIn post writer skill. For Twitter, I just have a Ryan Dozer social media skill. For email newsletters, I have an email newsletter writer skill, so on and so forth. And I do want to give credit here before I just move on to Mark Kashif. He is the GOAT of Claude Code, in my opinion. I had the opportunity to interview him on my channel. I'll leave that in the description below. He just did a very good job of explaining these agent teams. And so I took one of the prompts that he used in one of his examples and then repurposed that for my use case. And so I just wanted to call that out first. So then I have a placeholder here for the video transcript. So what I'm going to do is find one of my YouTube videos where I show how to create Claude Code skills. I'm going to take this exact transcript here. Now, you can copy and paste the YouTube video URL if you want to do that. I've gotten better outputs by just providing the full transcript and taking that extra step. So I'm going to paste that, let's see, right here. And then I'm going to click enter, and now this will start running. So as you'll see here, it says I've set up a team to repurpose this video transcript into platform-specific content. Let me first read the skill file. So right now what it's doing is it's establishing what task each agent is going to accomplish, and it's reading through all the different skill files. And so now it's finding my marketing folder where it's going to paste the outputs. So there it found the marketing folder. And instead of me sitting here and just rambling while this works, I'm going to skip ahead and wait till the outputs are complete. All right, so after several minutes, the AI agents did complete their tasks, but I will call out that A, that did take longer than I anticipated, and B, this did take up more usage than I anticipated as well. I'm on a Claude Max plan paying $100 a month. If you're on Claude Pro or you're just using API keys, this can get very expensive at scale if you're using agent teams. So I wanted to call that out first. But it did successfully complete the task. Here's the cross-platform summary, just giving me, the feedback of what it did between all those different platforms. Flag some inconsistencies. It showed me where the files are saved. But now if I actually look at the outputs, so here's my LinkedIn post that the LinkedIn agent created. GPTs and projects are already outdated. Skills are what replace them. I actually like that hook, right? And you can obviously come back here and tweak whatever posts that you like moving forward. Then it has some insights up here. Here's the Twitter post or the X post. Most people using AI are making the same mistake every single day. And then I also had an email post here. So here's the email newsletter that it wrote. And remember, it was using my individual skill markdown files to help with these outputs. So the format and all that was not random. It was using those skill files like I instructed it to. Subject line, and then here's the format of the email, right? This is typically how I write my email newsletters. And again, I would come back if something looks off. But that's kind of the output of how to use agent teams within Claude Code. And if I want to take this to the next step, I can use my Blotado MCP. So I know that might sound a little confusing here, but Blotado is actually the tool that I use to manage my social media. I use it to automate my social media. Recently, the owner, Sabrina Romanoff, came out with an MCP setup for Claude Code where we can now post directly from Claude Code across our social media platforms. Again, I have a full separate tutorial explaining this. I'm not going to go through the setup in this particular example. I just want to show you what's possible after using agent teams for something like this. You can come down here and say, great, now post the X post directly to my account using the Blotado MCP. And normally I would use my text to voice tool to do all this, so it's not as inconsistent here, but I figure while I'm doing this video, I'm just going to type some things out. So I'm going to ask Claude Code now to directly post that using my Blotado MCP. And so here it's going through and it's trying to find the MCP. So it looks like, so then it's asking me for which account. So it's my Ryan Dozer X account. And so now it's posting that post directly to my X account. So posting to Ryan Dozer now, and then post out submission. So it looks like post is live. So you'll see it even gives me the link to where this post is. So if I click on that, it's going to take me to my X or Twitter account, and it just posted that right from Claude Code using an MCP connection through Blotado, posting the output that the agent teams created. Most people using AI are making the same mistake every single day. Zero content. I actually really like this post. I'm going to go ahead and delete this, but I might post something similar in the future. But I just wanted to show you guys what was possible there as you can expand off of what the agent teams create. And something else worth noting while those AI agents were running those tasks is that you can actually come in here while they're running and say, how much longer? Tell the AI agents to hurry up. And what Claude Code will do is it will actually message the AI agents. And right here it says, all three agents are actively working. None have saved their files. They should be finishing up shortly. So it can kind of nudge or message those AI agents while they're working on those tasks and then give you a real-time feedback or real-time update on where those AI agents are in the midst of the given task. But anyways, if you've made it this far into the video, I appreciate you. And if you found this helpful and you learned something about agent teams within Claude Code, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as that truly means a lot as I spend hours putting this type of content together. But most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.